The old ship. No one's ever returned from there alive.
Relax, Kowalski. There's a bird down there now. Look, he's fine.
Oh. Leopard seals. Nature's snakes.
Aren't snakes nature's snakes?
How should I know? I live on the flippin' frozen tundra. They're going for the egg! Give me a way down there, ASAP!
All one would have to do is collect 300 feet of kelp, dry it in...
Tiny and helpless, the baby penguins are frozen with fear. They know if they fall from this cliff, they will surely die. Gunther, give them a shove.